a month without even showing their face or having followers. I don't think people understand. You don't need followers, fame, or even talent to make $10K/month on social media. You just need to know this one strategy. Let's clear up a huge misconception. You don't need millions of followers to make real money online. Most people think only celebrities or viral stars can earn $10,000 a month on social media. That's just not true. The creator economy has shifted. Now it's about value, not just popularity. I know creators making over $15,000 a month with just a few thousand loyal followers. Their secret? They solve specific problems for a specific group and build trust. You don't need to be famous, you need to be useful. A small, engaged audience is far more valuable than a huge, passive one. Focus on becoming a trusted authority in your niche, not a viral sensation. Forget about chasing trends or fame. Think of yourself as a problem solver. The path to $10,000 a month is paved with consistent value and smart strategy. Anyone can do this with the right plan. So erase the mega influencer myth from your mind. Let's dive into how you can actually make this happen. Your first step is picking the right platform in a profitable niche. Don't just follow trends. Choose where your ideal audience hangs out and what you enjoy creating. Instagram is great for visual content like fitness or food. TikTok is perfect for quick tips and entertainment. YouTube is best for in-depth tutorials and evergreen content. Next, narrow your niche. Don't be a generalist, be specific. Instead of fitness, try kettlebell workouts for busy dads. Instead of cooking, try 30-minute vegan meal prep. Specificity helps the right people find you and know your content is for them. The best niche is where your passion, knowledge, and market demand overlap. Passion keeps you consistent, knowledge builds trust, and demand brings profit. Brainstorm your hobbies, skills, and problems you've solved. Somewhere in that list is your profitable niche. Remember, clarity beats broad appeal every time. Pick one platform and one niche to start. Commit to showing up consistently. This focus is your launch pad. Let's move on to some proven niche ideas. Here are 5 profitable, beginner-friendly niches you can start with today. Personal finance for a specific group, like budgeting for students or side hustles for parents. People pay for money advice tailored to them. Home organization and productivity. Think organizing small spaces or digital planning. Visual, shareable, and full of monetization options. Beginner-friendly hobbies. Teach what you love, like watercolor painting or indoor gardening. You just need to be a step ahead of your audience. Specialized fitness and wellness. Niche down to things like postnatal yoga or strength training for runners. People want tailored solutions. Pet care and training. Pet owners spend big on their furry friends. Training tips, DIY projects, and product recommendations work great here. Each of these niches has a hungry audience and lots of ways to monetize. You don't need to be an expert, just relatable and helpful. Pick one that excites you and matches your skills. The key is to serve a specific group with real solutions. Start simple, and you'll stand out. Now let's talk about creating content that actually connects. Ready? Let's go. 14. You don't need fancy gear, your phone is enough. What matters is your message. Use the 3V formula. Valuable, visual, viral friendly. Valuable, teach, inspire, or entertain. Focus on quick tips, tutorials, or solutions your audience needs. Before posting, ask, would my ideal followers save or share this? Visual, make your content easy to consume. Use clear images, bold text, and strong hooks in the first 3 seconds. You don't need to be a designer, just keep it clean and eye-catching. Viral friendly. Create content people want to share. Checklists, step-by-steps, or relatable memes. Spark conversation or provide a resource people can't resist sharing. Don't chase viral hits. Focus on being consistently helpful and memorable. The right content builds trust and attracts the right audience. Keep it simple, actionable, and visually appealing. Consistency beats perfection. Start posting, learn as you go, and refine your style. Your first posts won't be perfect, but they'll get you moving. Let's talk about making your first dollar. You don't need a huge following to start earning. Focus on direct monetization, shoutouts, paid features, or simple services like coaching. Even with a few hundred followers, you can offer value to brands or individuals in your niche. Try a paid shoutout for a small business or offer a 1-hour consulting call. If people DM you for advice, that's your cue to offer paid help. Micro-influencer brand deals are real. Brands want engaged, focused audiences. Don't wait for brands to find you. Reach out with a simple media kit. Monetize early to prove your concept and build momentum. Every dollar earned is proof your audience is valuable. Next, let's scale up with smarter strategies. To scale your income, focus on affiliate marketing and digital products. Affiliate marketing is simple. Recommend products you love, earn a commission. Only promote what you truly believe in. Trust is everything. Once you see results, create your own digital product, an ebook template or mini course. Solve a specific problem for your audience. Think 20-minute kettlebell plan or beginner's guide to indoor gardening. Start small. A $20 guide or $15 template is enough. Use platforms like Gumroad or Stand Store to sell. Digital products scale. Sell to 1 or 1,000 with the same effort. Your first sale is a game changer. These methods let you earn while you sleep. Focus on value and your income will grow. Now let's build trust and drive traffic. Trust is your most valuable asset online. Be genuinely helpful, answer comments, reply to DMs, and give more than expected. One-on-one engagement turns followers into loyal fans. Show up consistently, post stories, share thoughts, and interact daily. Consistency makes you a familiar, reliable presence. Authenticity matters. Share your face, your struggles, and your wins. People connect with real humans, not perfect brands. Engaged communities drive more traffic. Algorithms reward interaction. Replying to comments boosts your reach. Be present, be real, and your audience will grow. Serve first, sell second. Trust leads to sales. Never forget that. Let's talk about reinvesting for growth. Celebrate your wins, but reinvest smartly to accelerate growth. Upgrade your tools. Better audio, lighting, or editing software can level up your content. Invest in education. Courses, books, or workshops keep you ahead of trends. Learn from those further along to shortcut your progress. Once you have a proven product, consider small ad spends to scale. Start with $5, $10 a day to test what works. Only invest in ads after you've nailed organic growth. Smart reinvestment turns a side hustle into a real business. Keep learning, keep improving. Now let's wrap it all up. This isn't luck, it's a repeatable system. Ordinary people are building extraordinary incomes by following these steps. Demolish the fame myth. Focus on being useful. Pick a platform and a specific, profitable niche. Create valuable, visual, viral-friendly content. Monetize early with affiliate marketing, coaching, or digital products. Build trust through genuine engagement and consistency. Reinvest in your growth, tools, education, and eventually ads. Each step builds on the last, creating unstoppable momentum. The only thing missing is your action. Don't wait for perfect. Start now. Be consistent and provide value. The opportunity is right in front of you. Go out there and take it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone.